In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to write Quora answers. Let's start right from the beginning. First, open your browser and go to the Quora website. If you're not already signed in, take a moment to log into your account so you can actually write and post answers. Once you're logged in, you'll land on your Quora home dashboard. This is your main feed, where you'll see questions, answers, and topics tailored to your interests. At the very top of this page, you'll notice a bar that asks what you want to ask or share. Just below that, there are three options: ask, answer, and post. For this tutorial, we're focusing on answer because that's where you can find questions that need your input. Go ahead and click on the answer button. When you do this, Quora will show you a list of questions it thinks you can help with, usually based on the topics you follow and the content you've interacted with before. Take a moment to scroll through this list and look for a question you actually feel comfortable answering. Choosing questions where you have real knowledge or experience will make your answers more valuable and more likely to be upvoted. Once you see a question you'd like to respond to, look directly underneath that question for the answer button. Click on answer and Quora will open up an editor box where you can type your response. Now type in your answer. Start by briefly restating or acknowledging the question, so readers know you're addressing it directly. Then, explain your thoughts step by step. Aim to be clear, specific, and honest. If it helps, you can organize your ideas in short paragraphs so the answer is easier to read on screen. Try to avoid huge blocks of text. You can also include examples, simple explanations, or quick comparisons to make your point clearer, as long as you stay focused on the original question. Before you post, read through your answer once more. Check for spelling, grammar, and clarity. Make sure you're not sharing any personal or sensitive information and that your tone is respectful and helpful. When you're happy with what you've written, move to the bottom right of the editor and click on the post button. Your answer will now be published on Quora under that question, visible to other users who visit the page. And that's it. You've successfully written and posted a Quora answer.